1. 1968 Ford F250, 2,800 Nine Mile Falls, Washington. The 1968 Ford F250 is a solid example of a workhorse from the late 60s. Equipped with a 360 V8 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission, this truck retains its originality, wearing the factory holly green paint. Despite its unrestored state, it boasts a dry body with no rust or rot. Functionality is a highlight, as the lights, gauges, heater, and wipers are all operational. With a clean title and just 56,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup offers great potential for restoration or use as is. 2. 1972 Ford F250 Pickup, $900, 9 Mile Falls, Washington. This 1972 Ford F250 Camper Special in Ranger trim is a budget-friendly project vehicle. Featuring a 360 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, both recently serviced with paperwork, the truck needs some mechanical work due to stolen parts, including the carburetor and distributor cap. With minimal rust and original paint, this largely intact vehicle is a steal for a buyer willing to invest some effort. It comes with a clean title, adding peace of mind for restoration enthusiasts. 3. 1979 GMC Sierra 2500, $6,500, Hillsboro, Oregon. This 1979 GMC Sierra 2500 has been well maintained by a single family for many years. Powered by a dependable V8 engine and a newly rebuilt 3-speed automatic transmission, the truck also features new tires and a fresh exhaust system. With dual gas tanks and a topper included, this vehicle is practical for heavy-duty use. Though the odometer is broken, the overall condition suggests it has been cared for. This Sierra represents a rugged, reliable option for collectors or utility purposes. 4. 1970 Ford Ranchero, $5,200, Lakeside, Arizona. The 1970 Ford Ranchero combines the style of a classic car with the utility of a truck. Powered by a strong 351 Cleveland engine with a 4-barrel carburetor and paired with a C4 automatic transmission, this Ranchero runs well and offers ample power. Features like new tires, bucket seats, and a standalone electronic distributor make it a solid driver. While the exterior needs a new paint job, the car's mechanical reliability and clean title make it a worthwhile investment. 5. 1970 Dodge D100, $3,000, Apache Junction, Arizona. This 1970 Dodge D100 is a rough but promising project. Equipped with a 318 V8 engine and an automatic transmission, it starts when gas is manually poured into the carburetor. However, the vehicle needs to be towed due to its current condition and lack of a proper title, bill of sale only. Despite its challenges, the truck's classic design and potential for restoration could appeal to the right buyer. 6. 1975 Ford F250, Sherman Oaks, California. This 1975 Ford F250 pickup is a dependable truck ready for use. With a powerful 460 V8 engine, automatic transmission, power steering, and dual gas tanks, it offers practicality for work or recreation. The vehicle has good tires and brakes, and its clean title makes the transaction hassle-free. Overall, this is a classic truck that runs great and requires no major immediate attention. 7. 1975 Dodge D200 Adventure $4,000, Olympia, Washington. The 1975 Dodge D200 Adventurer is a 3/4-ton truck powered by a 360 V8 engine and an automatic transmission. Known for its factory-installed adjustable rear bumper, designed for camper use, the truck has been well-maintained and runs reliably. With an odometer reading of 18,849 miles, rolled over, it is a great option for buyers seeking a sturdy vintage truck with character. Number 8. 1974 Chevrolet C20 Long Bed, 6000 Tucson, Arizona. This 1974 Chevrolet C20 is a running daily driver with a 350 V8 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. Recently outfitted with new tires, the truck offers a smooth ride despite some rust issues. With its long bed and strong mechanics, this Chevy is perfect for buyers seeking a vintage truck for both work and restoration. 9. 1979 Chevrolet C30 Silverado Dually, 6,000 Dons, Texas. The 1979 Chevrolet C30 Silverado is a dually with a big block engine and automatic transmission. Equipped with aftermarket parts and a clean title, this heavy-duty truck is ideal for towing or hauling. The only significant repair needed is a fuel pump replacement. For collectors or those needing a reliable work vehicle, this Silverado is an appealing choice. 10. 1969 Chevrolet C20 Pickup, $3,999, Vancouver, Washington. This 1969 Chevrolet C20 is a winter project with plenty of potential. Though the engine and brakes require rebuilding, the truck retains a clean title and comes with its original bench seat. Its collector plates and second owner history add to its value as a restoration candidate. The yellow paint and classic styling make it a standout among vintage pickups. $11. 1957 Ford F100, $7,500, Phoenix, Arizona. This 1957 Ford F100 features a rebuilt 400 engine and C6 automatic transmission, making it a powerful and mechanically sound classic truck. While the vehicle's condition is rated as fair, the clean title and vintage charm of this iconic model make it a great choice for collectors looking for a manageable project. 12. 1984 Chevrolet 3/4 ton, $4,500, Alta Loma, California. With just 11,000 miles on its Goodwrench crate engine, this 1984 Chevrolet 3/4 ton truck is in good condition. It features a new radiator, excellent tires and rims, and non-operation status, meaning it hasn't been registered recently. This truck offers excellent value for anyone seeking a reliable vintage workhorse. 13. 1980 Toyota Pickup SR5, $7,400, Concord, California. The 1980 Toyota Pickup SR5 is an excellent example of a classic compact truck. With a 5-speed manual transmission and just 84,383 miles, this rust-free California vehicle runs and drives exceptionally well. Owned by the same person for 18 years, it has no mechanical issues and comes with a recent smog inspection certificate, making it a turnkey option for enthusiasts.